Hey everyone, welcome back to Wajid Tech Talk.
Meet the brand new Samsung Galaxy A57, the latest mid-range king for 2025. Samsung's A series just got smarter, faster, and way better looking. The design looks premium, slim body, matte finish, and a flat frame vibe. It's available in cool colors like graphite, sky blue, and lilac. Feels solid in hand, lightweight, yet classy. The 6.6-inch Super AMOLED display is sharp and vibrant. You get a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, perfect for gaming or scrolling. And yes, it's bright enough to handle direct sunlight. Powered by Samsung's new Exynos 1480 chip, the A57 runs fast. Apps open instantly, multitasking feels snappy, and light gaming is smooth. Plus, it comes with Android 15 and One UI 7 out of the box. You've got a 50 megapixels main camera with OIS shots are clear and balanced. Ultra-wide is fun for landscapes, and selfies look natural with the 13 megapixels front camera. Even night mode has improved big time. A 5000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day. It supports 25W fast charging, but no charger in the box. Still, battery life is impressive for its size. Stereo speakers, in-display fingerprint, and full 5G support. No headphone jack, but you do get Dolby Atmos sound. Plus, it's got IP67 water resistance, nice touch. The A57 starts around $399. Great value for what it offers. If you loved the A55, this one's a big step up. Sleek design, better camera, solid performance, all in one. So is the Galaxy A57 worth it? For most people, absolutely yes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Galaxy updates.